Everyone has their own style of preparing masalas for the fish fry. But using the right ingredients in their right proportions will enhance the taste. Hey foodies, welcome back. This is Mercy Revika from Tadka. So guys, today I'm going to show you pomfret or chandua fish fry, which is an authentic, spicy, crunchy, coastal Indian recipe. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. It really helps us to grow our channel. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this super easy and super tasty recipe of pomfret fish fry.
Tadka by Mercy Revika.
First, let's marinate the fishes. Here I have taken 3 fishes. Now we are going to add lemon juice. Half a lemon is enough. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. पहले नींबू का रस ऐड करेंगे, फिर salt. Make sure you coat the fishes with lemon and salt nicely. Now it's time to marinate the fishes. First we are going to take 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, which is optional, 2 teaspoon of corn flour, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or Maida, 1 teaspoon of Besan. Now we are going to mix everything nicely. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now adjust the consistency, adding little water. Now the masala paste for the marination is ready. Now we are going to apply the marination into the fishes. Make sure you put the gashes or cuts on the fishes, which helps to penetrate the marination easily. Make sure you apply the marination in and out. Now let it rest in the refrigerator for an hour or so. Now take a frying pan and add some oil. Take the marinated fish and just coat it with the semolina or rava. Make sure you coat it well and press it gently. It coats well on the fish. Make sure the oil is hot. Now add the fish and fry it. It should be golden brown in color. It may take 5 minutes for each side to get that crunchy texture. If you wish, you can cover it with a lid for a minute to get it cooked well. Flip it over and make sure you fry both the sides well. Wow, look at the texture, it's really tempting. Now the fish is ready to be served. It's crunchy outside and soft inside. Serve it with hot rice, rasam or dal. Trust me, you will end up having 2 more fishes. Please do let me know your thoughts, queries and suggestions in the comment section below. I'm happy to reply. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to share it with your friends. It really helps us to grow our channel. We'll meet in the next video. It's time to say bye. Stay healthy. Have a good day.